I tested a ton of 3D printers, and here are my picks for the top 5 best beginner 3D printers you can buy right now. Number 5, the Creality K2 Pro, big print volume, Core XY motion, and built-in multicolor printing for people who want to jump straight into advanced projects. Number 4, the FlashForge AD5X, a budget-friendly multicolor printer that delivers clean results once you dial it in. Number 3, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, compact, fast, and super easy for first-timers. You'll be printing in minutes. Number 2, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. It's the work truck of printers, enclosed, reliable, and perfect for non-stop functional parts. And number 1, the Bambu Lab A1. It's plug and play, multicolor, and just works every single time. Whether you're on a tight budget or ready to go all in, these are the machines that actually make 3D printing fun, not frustrating.